Correct Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video of this 2016 Holden Captiva LTZ. Now, first of all, I do apologize, it is a little bit wet because it is raining today. However, pressing on, still getting some videos done. So starting at the front, I'm going to walk you through the overall condition and some of the actual features. So the front end, you do have that beautiful chrome front grille that does give it a very tough look to that front end. Does quite nicely tie in with the silver paintwork, and you've also got very aggressive headlights. There is a daytime running lamp just breaking up that headlight and the indicator, which does add a bit of elegance to the front of the car. It also helps you be seen. Now down the bottom here you have also got the fog lights fitted, once again with the chrome surround. You've also got the color match parking sensors all the way along that front bar. Now if we come around this side, condition wise the front end is pretty much spot on. Even despite the rain, I can't actually see any marks or damage that need to actually be pointed out. That first alloy wheel, it is pretty much completely unmarked, so great condition on that wheel, and a near brand new tire at the time of the video as well. You've got a little vent here. It is non-functional, however it does add a little bit of personality, breaks up the paintwork on the side there a little bit. You've got the color match side mirrors and the door handles, and the indicator is actually built into the side mirror there. Now the door handles, they are chrome with the color matched insert, but they do have the keyless entry, so pressing that button will lock your vehicle and pressing it again will unlock it. Down the bottom you have also got the side step fitted just to help you get in and out. Now coming around this side, I'll just open up the driver's door quickly and show you inside the car. Now on the inside here you can see great condition on these seats, so the leather does present really well for its age. You've also got the electric seat controls down here, your genuine Captiva scuff guard, and all in great condition. Even where people tend to get lazy and kick the doors open, you can see the door trims are also in very good condition. Now the windows are not tinted, so I probably recommend asking us about our premium window tint. We'll keep the UV out and give you the added benefits of the safety of tint as well. Condition wise along the side of the vehicle does present really well. That next wheel, once again, really good condition there, and plenty of tread in those tires as well. Keep making our way along to the back of the vehicle now. On the back here you have got LED taillights. They have got a split kind of design to them. Does look really nice from the back end. You've also got the split in the tailgate with that chrome insert. Also got the LTZ badging and your reverse camera plus parking sensors. So it is a very easy car to park. You've got a high mounted stoplight just up there to give everyone around you a very clear indication when you are braking. Also got the rear wiper on the back here. Now being the LTZ, you do get a full leather interior. The back seats do fold completely flat, so it is an awesome design because it is 50-50 and it is very, very easy to use. So under here you've also got your jack and tools, and it's good to know that you're not losing any space when those seats are folded down. Closing this back up, keep making our way along to the passenger side now. As you can see, fuel filler cap is on the passenger side, being the safe side. When you lock your car, that will also lock. That next wheel again is in great condition, so that is also completely unmarked, and tread on these tires is absolutely awesome. Now along this side of the vehicle again, paintwork is pretty much spot on. Yeah, pretty much spot on. I'm actually struggling to fault this car at all. So awesome condition on the paintwork. As you can see, 4 unmarked wheels and great condition on the tires as well, so has been very, very well looked after. What we're going to do now, guys, is pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Taking a look under the bonnet now, what we have is a 3-litre V6 and with a 6-speed automatic gearbox. Now the power output from the engine is 190 kilowatts with 288 newton meters of torque. You also get a fuel tank which holds 65 litres and can run on 91. The combined fuel consumption is about 10.7 litres per 100, giving you an average fuel distance depending on your driving style of about 607 kilometers from a full tank. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of this beautiful Captiva. As you can see, it has been very, very well looked after inside and out. So do your part. Ask us about the glass scope because we're going to talk to you about it anyway. Ask us how you can get a lifetime warranty on that beautiful silver paperwork and minimize how much effort you put into cleaning this vehicle as well. The other thing I would highly recommend is the premium mechanical protection plan with the added benefit of another 5 years of cover and up to 200,000 kilometers on the clock. We cover you on 181 items in the vehicle with claims up to $3,600, and it doesn't stop there. You also get 10 years of platinum nationwide roadside assistance. So it is awesome value and a great way to keep your car protected. Now, If you are using our in-house finance, Julie or Mario, our business managers, are going to talk to you about your finance options. They will also tailor a package to suit your needs, which will work all those protective extras into your payments and make it all comfortable for you as well. Now, before you go, you have to read our Google reviews. It is important to know who you're dealing with, so please have a read through what people have to say about us and decide for yourself that you are dealing with a reputable dealership buying a good quality vehicle. We like to look after our customers and make sure the whole process is seamless and easy, and we're going to give you an experience of a lifetime buying this vehicle. Now, if you have any questions, the number to dial is 99070555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching. Guys, taking a look inside the Captiva now, on the driver's side door, you get all your power window controls. The front driver's side is automatic down. Above that is your central locking buttons. Down the right hand side here, you've got a few options. So there is your menu change for the display between the clusters. You've also got your vehicle information and a couple of other menu options for the display. You've also got your toggle for the power mirrors on the right hand side here with the headlight adjuster, the brightness adjuster for your cluster. On the right hand stalker, you've got your headlights, fog lights, and your headlights are actually auto, so just leave it in auto and the car will decide when it needs them. On the left hand side here, you have got all your washer and wiper controls. The steering wheel is a very nice leather wrapped steering wheel with all your media controls on the right and cruise control on the left. Now, having a look in the center display, I'm just going to pop it in reverse quickly, show you. You do get a very nice reverse camera. You can choose to have those guiding lines on or off depending on your preference, and the shifter itself you can drive as a standard auto or bump it to the left into sports mode and switch through the gears manually. Now, in terms of media, you have got AM and FM radio. You've also got your Bluetooth and hands-free connectivity. You've also got phone projection, so you can actually plug your phone in and mirror it up on the screen. Down the bottom, you've got dual zone climate control, so the passenger and driver can both have their own temperatures, and you can adjust them individually. Back here, you've got the traction control, downhill descent control, parking sensors, and your eco mode if you wanted to save some fuel. Under here, you've got a little bit of storage if you wanted to lean your phone in there while it's plugged into one of the two USB ports or the AUX. You've also got a 12-volt socket in there as well. Sorry, got the hiccups. Behind the shifter, you have got your heated seat controls, so both front seats are heated. Now, the great thing about this car is you get two cup holders, but if you push this down and slide it back, there's a secret compartment for storage, so you can store any valuables just under your cup holders. The center console here, when you open it up, you do get plenty of storage. Now, if we pan around the interior quickly, you will notice it is in awesome condition on the inside. As we pan across the roof as well, you will see that we do have an automatic sunroof. So just sliding that right open will I should probably close that because it is raining today, but it is automatic open, but you do have to hold it to close back up. But it's great to know that if the weather is good, you have the option to open that up. Now, what we're going to do is jump outside and wrap up the video.